As the sell-off shows no signs of abating, Bitcoin forms a death cross. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to look towards the shocking news of Bitcoin, death cross. Let's find out how. A death cross indeed does not seem appealing, but what exactly is it? On June 19th, several Twitter chats, forum posts, and even headlines highlighted the death cross technical pattern concerning Bitcoin's BTC chart. The definition goes like this: crosses are price chart technical patterns that indicate a quick price change compared to the long-term performance of a stock, cryptocurrency, or the entire market. When the 50-day moving average physically meets the 200-day moving average on a chart, it produces a cross and can be used to predict future price movement. A death cross is a little more ominous, as it has been known to precede some of history's worst bear markets. On June 21, Bitcoin's 50-day moving average slipped below its 200-day moving average, creating a death cross signal and causing concern among some investors. On August 17th, its price momentarily dipped below $29,026, erasing its 2021 gains, before rebounding back above $32,000 following China's announcement that it had convened authorities from its largest banks to a meeting to reinforce its prohibition on offering cryptocurrency services. The latest indication is that China intends to do everything it takes to narrow and loopholes in cryptocurrency trade. Bitcoin is exceptionally susceptible to headlines, especially those involving Elon Musk or Tesla. Bitcoin's daily chart demonstrates the emergence of the death cross. At $41,019.08, the blue line represents the dropping 50-day simple moving average. At $43,194.68, the green line represents the rising 200-day SMA from bottom to top. The horizontal bars indicate its annual value level of $18,893, its semi-annual pivot of $35,643, its quarterly pivot of $40,283, and its risky monthly level of $61,916. Plan B, the well-known developer of the Bitcoin stock-to-flow model, also tweeted about the iconic death cross on August 21. Study this chart to see what happened the last two times the death cross happened, in Q4 2019 and Q1 2020. Plan B advised his 566,000 followers. Some chartists believe Bitcoin, which failed to reclaim $40,000 last week, may retest the $30,000 mark, which is touched briefly during its horrific May sell-off. If that happens, it may have a difficult time finding support in the $20,000 range. However, this is not Bitcoin's first brush with a death cross signal. Bitcoin underwent a significant drop in March 2020. Still, by the time the death cross signal appeared in the coin's price charts, the coin had already risen over its lows, according to Nathan Cox, Chief Investment Officer at digital asset-focused investment firm 2Prime. Shortly after that, the price began to rise. According to Cox, Bitcoin's most significant death cross occurred in the aftermath of the 2017-2018 crash. Between December and February of that year, Bitcoin fell by roughly 60%. On March 30, 2018, the death cross happened, although lows had already been reached. Over the next month, Bitcoin rose in value. The death cross, by definition, is an indicator of what has already occurred. It is not always an accurate signal for bearish developments that are still to happen. Periods of decline might be followed by explosive increases or even a golden cross. Many cryptocurrency investors are used to market fluctuations, and some see a slump like this as an opportunity to expand their long-term stakes. According to Voyager CEO Steve Ehrlich, Bitcoin is in the top 10 of net buys of digital assets within one day, and the top 7 within a week at Voyager Digital, a crypto trading app. Historically, cryptocurrency has emerged even stronger on the other side of dip cycles, Ehrlich explained in an email. In terms of how long a decline may endure, Cox believes a return may be contingent on some external factors such as the ability of Bitcoin miners in China to relocate rapidly. If the narrative does not change, he says, we may see continued pressure on digital assets. Aside from the causes of the fall, Bitcoin's price charts have some investors on edge and may be ready to sell their stakes, while others have determined that now is a good moment to buy or remain with their current plan. Nobody knows what will happen, although several traders are adamant that their predictions will come true. Investors and market observer John Hostetler has also tweeted in August 21. Only a fool could deny that this Bitcoin death cross is more like a bearish cross in red than a bullish one in green. Hostetler added, but I do like how the BTC price fell this week, as if to say, let's get it over with. Then we can rise. So do you foresee a bear or a bull market in the future? What are your thoughts on the Bitcoin death cross chart pattern? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. This is it for today's video. Thank you.